Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Matic, which I haven't covered in a long time, and I'm actually not sure when they're going to call this Pol. I mean, I thought the token was supposed to be called Pol at some point of time. Not yet, but we'll do a full analysis on Matic. I mean, it has been quite strong over the last couple of days. It's been on my radar for the last couple of days as well, but I did not enter because I already was in so many long positions over the last couple of days with the bullish momentum that I did not want to add Matic to that list. But there were indications that Matic was going to be bullish. I'll tell you about those in this video, or at least I'll try to. It's a bit difficult, but I'll do my best. But we'll just do a full overview and a full analysis on Matic in general. All right, so you know what's most likely to happen from here on out. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly tell you, if you're new to the channel, that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my own trading guides. I just published the results over September in the Telegram group. Results are open. I believe in transparency. So check that out if you're interested in that. But for now, let's get into Matic. So what we've seen over the last couple of days is that Matic was already very, like there was a lot of momentum. Volume and open interest had grown massively. And what we're seeing now is that, which was also partially caused by the bearish momentum that we saw from Bitcoin. But now we're seeing that momentum is kind of lost. It's not fully lost because the open interest is actually getting back to the same levels, but the volume is way lower. So the big question is will Matic be able to get up even higher? Of course, all right. So the main resistance right now is 57 cents. And if it breaks above that, it's 100% bullish again. But what could happen for now is that this will be a double top. All right. So there are a lot of factors we need to look at in order to understand what will happen. First of all, to talk about how you could have seen this coming. What I saw, and this is, like I said, I mean, it's difficult, but what I saw is that Wintermute, I keep track of a lot of market makers and what they do. Wintermute is one of the major market makers, and what I saw is that they were transacting a lot of Matic, which usually means that there's something going on. Here you can see still in the last couple of days, like hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars in Matic transacted. So that's why it was on my radar. And then technically when it broke above this level right here, above 53.5 cents, you can see how strong that level is. Technically then it was bullish and I should have bought. Did not do it, like I said, because I was in a lot of positions, but that's how you could have seen it. Continued rallying up. And like I said, right now the situation is either a higher low and now getting a bullish breakout and rallying up higher. In which case, if Matic does break above 57 cents, it will find resistance at 58 and 58.5 cents. Probably take a bullish break retest then and head up towards 0.6 or 60 cents. Either of this is a scenario, or Matic rejects off of 57 cents and drops back down towards 55 cents, which is probably enough confirmation, especially also with a Bitcoin that's not that strong. Probably enough bearish confirmation to assume we're dropping down to 53 cents afterwards. And from there, we'll see whether Matic will get into a consolidation or something else. That's not that clear yet, but that's also not that important. Right now, important is whether it's going to reject off of this level or go up. Now, personally, I think it depends a lot on Bitcoin, which is weird, but the correlation between Bitcoin and Matic is right now around 89, which is very high. And Bitcoin's movement is likely to be affected by the JOLTS job openings later today. So I think we have to wait for like 4 hours after uploading this video for the results of that. And then if those job openings are higher than expected, Matic will probably crash. If they're lower than expected, it will probably rally. I'd say we have to wait for that. So I cannot make a clear prediction. I'm sorry. All right. I know you click this video and you want to know, well, what does he think is going to happen? I'd say it's a bit more likely that will drop down, but personally, I wouldn't trade it at all. But that's my take. That's my full analysis. That's at least everything you need to know about Matic for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.